Hello everyone! Let's crochet the sock. For this, make chain of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have done the foundation chain. Now I'm going to work with next row. It is going to be double crochet stitches. For this, chain 3 to bring up the yarn over the hook, and work with double crochet into the fourth chain stitch away from the hook. Make double crochet twice into the fourth chain stitch, 1 and 2. Then make double crochet into the each chain stitch of the foundation chain. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have got the last chain stitch. In this chain stitch, make 6 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 'Turn the work a little bit. 1, 2, and let's make the last one. 3. 4 double crochet in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make 3 double crochet into the next chain stitch. 1, 2, 3. The round is done. The round is almost ready. Let's finish this round. Work with the slip stitch into the third chain stitch in the beginning of this round. It is going to be a toe part of the sock. Let's crochet round 2, chain 3 to bring up the yarn. Make 2 double crochet into the third chain stitch in the beginning of this round. Oops, sorry, I am a little bit confusing. I need to crochet 2 double crochet instead of 3 because the chains will be the third stitch. Make 8 double crochet in a row. 1. I have done 8 stitches. Make 3 double crochet into the each of next 2 stitches. 1, 2, 3. Then continue double crochet 3 times into the next stitch. I'm making a mark, so I insert the stitch marker between the third and the fourth of these 6 stitches. I do this. I have done my mark. Then make 8 double crochet stitches in a row, 1, and so on. I have done 8 double crochet stitches. Make 3 double crochet into the last stitch. 1, 2, 3. Insert the hook into the third stitch. Insert the hook into the third chain stitch at the beginning of the round by making a slip stitch. Now I insert the stitch marker between these 3 and these 3. Let's stop and look at my marks. So I mark the points where I'm going to do the increases. So I'm going to make marks till my size. You should increase till your size of the leg. Then I'm going to work in the same way as the previous time. I will begin and you will continue by yourself as usually. Let's crochet the new round, chain 3 to bring up the yarn, then make double crochet twice into the third chain stitch at the beginning of the previous round. I make increases till the stitch marker and before it, then 8 double crochet stitches. Then you should leave 1 stitch before the stitch marker. I'm going to do 3 double crochet into this stitch and 3 double crochet into the next stitch. Then you should crochet till the end of this round. I have done 1 more round. As you can see, I have done 3 double crochet before the stitch marker and 3 double crochet after the stitch marker, and 12 double crochet stitches a row. Now I'm working with 1 more round with increase, chain 3 to bring up the yarn, make double crochet into the third chain stitch. Then you should crochet straight till the second stitch marker. I'm going to work with double crochet twice before the stitch marker and after it. I have done my round. Here how it looks. As I said before, I did double crochet twice before the stitch marker and after it. I remove the stitch markers. I don't need it anymore. Before I continue working with main pattern, let's stop and look at the ready work. Let's look at the ready sock. I made the same number of rounds. In this case, I used thick yarn and crochet hook. It was a smaller size than now, so it a little bit very strong. Let's measure. I have got 10 centimeters in the ready sock and my sock a little bit stretchy. Here is 12 centimeters. It's perfect for me. If you have bigger toe part, so you should crochet more rounds with increases. Now I continue working on my sock. In this case, I'm going to do the main part. Let's crochet the first round of the main pattern. Pattern consists of 5 stitches. It was front post and back post double crochet stitches. 2 of them are back post double crochet and other 3 is front post double crochet. Make back post single crochet around the stitch, chain 2 to bring up the yarn, make back post double crochet around the next stitch, and 3 front post double crochet in a row. Then 2 back post double crochet in a row, and 3 front post double crochet. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. Let's complete this round together. After 3 front post double crochet, insert the hook into the second chain stitch on the beginning of this round by making a slip stitch. Round is done. Here what we have. Then I'm going to work in the same way, but it will be a little differently. Now let's crochet the next round. It is very important from the which stitch you will begin each round. You will begin each round. 2 back post double crochet, then back post and back post. Make front post single crochet, chain 2 to bring up the yarn. Make back post double crochet. Make back post double crochet. Let's repeat. Then 3 front post double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Two back post double crochet. And 3 front post double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Here what we have. So keep working in this way till the end of this round. As you can see, my pattern is a little bit shifting. It is moving to the left. Then you should crochet as many times as you need. It depends what height of the sock you will want to get. Let's look at the ready sock. This example doesn't have the heel part, so it is very comfortable and warm. I have done my swatch as many times as I needed. I have got 30 centimeters. The width is 13 centimeters. After the main part, I'm working on the rib for my sock, and it will be rib 3 by 2. Now I show you how to crochet it. Make back post single crochet, chain 2 to bring up the yarn. Make 3 front post double crochet on the front post double crochet of the previous round. One, 2, 3, and 2 back post double crochet. So keep working in this way till the end of this row. I'm about to complete my round. Make a slip stitch into the second chain stitch at the beginning of this round. My slip stitch is ready. My round is ready. Make back post single crochet, chain of 2, make 3 front post double crochet. Then you should crochet your rib part as many times as you need. As you can see, my sock is ready. Here what I have, warm and very comfortable, and in the same time unique. Please subscribe to my page or channel and crochet with me